Are you dreaming of studying in the UK? Today, we'll guide you through the 12-step UK study visa process. Submit your application to the chosen UK university. Make sure to gather all required documents and submit them accurately. Once your application is reviewed, you'll receive either a conditional or unconditional offer from the university. If you received a conditional offer, submit the remaining required documents to fulfill the conditions. Apply for accommodation at your university to ensure you have a place to stay upon arrival. Pay the tuition fee deposit to secure your place at the university. Attend a sponsorship interview if required. This step is crucial to obtain your confirmation of acceptance for studies UCAS. Undergo financial checks to ensure you have the necessary funds to support your studies and living expenses in the UK. Once all requirements are met, you'll receive your UCAS, an essential document for your visa application. Apply for your UK student visa using your UCAS and other supporting documents. After a successful application, you'll receive your UK student visa. Book your flight to the UK and prepare for your new academic journey. Attend the orientation week and enrollment process at your university to get familiar with the campus and your peers.